2 meter podium or foundation is because it was about 2 or 3 story building. No need to build this high podium. If you need to build one room, no need to build this type of high foundation. So that's why based on the foundation, they estimated that maybe this central part might had like 2 or 3 story building. But all the compartment all around is only 1 story building. So the queen was in the middle. Can you see it has small separate courtyard all around, not attached with the other rooms. It is only in the middle. Yeah. So can you imagine, even at that time, the building was with like the modern building today with the rubble walls. Can you see rubble stones with mud mortar? And then look the tiering. The wall is not straight, but like layers, like we call it the tiering. You know? It makes more strong the wall. Even on the other side, the podium is stretched, and then they made recessed, the wall indented, and then they put it out like zigzag to make it more strong. The foundation. This is called the Aksumite architecture, deployed in all old buildings, churches, palaces, to make the foundation strong, always supported by the big corner stones, tiering, and then indentation or recess. So those are the original steps. Maybe here is the part, the queen. Yeah?
Most respect, most respect.
Maybe the queen there, and then good morning,
The one who gave her hair.
yeah. Maybe the guards they can stop here with the spears here. Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So these are the very same steps
Yeah.
occupied by the
Yeah.
Queen of Saba, Queen of
Yeah.
Sheba.
Sheba steps up. You know, still not known exactly the significance of the number 7, but all the entrance of all the palace are 7. 7 steps. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see the first one? The last one. It is a little bit buried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. King Caleb's palace is 7. You know the old another one, the Simon is 7. 7 this. The week.
You may not want to leave.
And look the original paving of the floor with some patterns. Can you see? And fitted.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And look the same thing here.
Yeah, yeah.
And look at each corner. Even one is missing from here. There is another one. And look over there. Okay. Let's continue quickly because the guard is waiting. Rastafarian movement, you know that, right?
You said Rastafari movement, so this is where it all came from.
Yeah.
Ethiopia, the land of queens and kings.
Kings, the land of origin.
Yeah, this is incredible. I mean, the cradle of civilization, I mean,
Yeah.
where mankind began. I mean, this
Exactly.
be here.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. The origin of mankind, exactly. So let's see the kitchen if something is left from the queen.
Okay,
We need for the supper. Huh?
that's right. Snacks, y'all. Fried chicken.
Oh, you like chicken?
They come running. We're trying to get our people to catch up. All I did was holler fried chicken. Oh my God, they're
Vegans
stampeding.
do not.
Vegans do not beef. So Umar, Sarah, Sut, and Seti, y'all need to stop eating that stuff. Vegans do not beef.com.
Excellent family, and we are in Ethiopia today. This is the 4th day in the 4th city. And we have been rolling, family, from driving to flying on aircraft around Ethiopia. It's been incredible. And we still got a whole lot more to go.
Let's look at the kitchen. It looks like the modern pizza. They call it the pizza oven. But maybe the bread, now they call it the pizza, is maybe or started here. Yeah? The Italians got it from here.
The Italians. Got it from here. This is a good concept. Pizza oven. Let me.
The right hand, where the bricks are, okay? The right is the shape of the oven you can get.
And we are looking at the kitchen, the oven of Queen Sheba, the Queen of Sheba, the mother of Menelik I, and allegedly the consort of Solomon. The wisest man? I thought that was Imhotep. I'm confused now. Don't start that stuff there, Brother Bomani. I'm filming you. You know how you get.
Yes, Brother Kidi, hold it down. We are in Ethiopia. So family giving you a nice view of this compound, and we're taking it back in time. We're taking you back throughout our story, sharing our story with you, not his story, our story. So we come to Africa purposely to document our story continuously. This is Revolutionary Cameron. You know how we do it. We do real journalism. We go out to the country.
بس حد حدا شي بصحينا لنا مخنياتو كالي سب كركب كله ذات حبسس حسبي
يا بلا لك
انا كم ناتهم انا اشتري
لك
وانا اشتري مزبانه
So anyone interested to see the oven?
Yes, family, in Axum, and we are sharing with you the view, the culture, the history, all of the documentation. Stay tuned, family. Revolutionary Cam is going to bring you a whole lot more. The journey continues.
Nice, look at this little water spout.